Hi everyone, my name is Saurav Sharma, and in this video we are going to add some products on our home screen. So by the way, this is the fourth video of our Django React series. So if you are not watching it from the playlist, then you should go and watch it from the playlist. So before starting this video, let's see this presentation so that you know what we are going to do in this video. So basically, right now we have this directory structure, and for showing product on home screen, we will be creating a file, which will be product.js in our source folder. So basically, this is a temporary file, and I don't want to fetch any data from backend because we have not designed any backend framework right now. So we will be fetching data from this file, and this is just for temporary. After that, we will be using Django REST framework for fetching the data, and this will contain all the products in a JSON format. And after that, we will also create another folder called screens. So screen is basically a component. Like we have created this folder components in the end. Here we have stored two components are stored here. So in the same way, we will create another folder called screen, and in this screen we will be storing components like HomeScreen.js and authentication screen.js, like this. Okay, and for I have mentioned this as other screen because I have no idea what other screen we are going to use. Maybe they will be authentication screen, about screen, like this. And this is home screen which we are going to make in today's video. So in this home screen, we will be fetching data from this product.js. In the future, we will be fetching data from Django REST framework through API, but right now we will be fetching data from this file. So after fetching all the data and do some designing, we will export that data, import products from this product.js, and after designing, export all the data to our app.js. And you know that if we export all the data to app.js, then we can easily send it to our website for rendering. Okay, so this is going to be the workflow of our project. So I think you understand all this workflow, but if you don't, then doesn't matter. I will show you will understand by the code. So right now this is how our project looks. This is simply a header and a footer. Right now we will be inserting a home screen in between the header and the footer. So jump to our code base, and let's first make a folder. As you can see, come here, and so here we have, let me zoom in this. So in the source folder we have something called product.js, so we will be making that. So in the source folder, create a new file and name that product.js. Since we will be storing some products, this is not a component, so you don't need to make this in the capital letter, first letter capital, that's what I mean. And in the product.js, I have a file in my desktop. So this is basically all the product list, product array, and that's stored in this, these all are product object, and they all are stored in this product variable. And we have exported this product, so just copy paste. I will be copying this to my project to save time. You can hard code this on your own. Okay, so here we have assigned a variable, and this is basically object where we have ID, name, brand, price, description, rating, image. And I have provided an initial location because right now just see this, all these data goes to app.js and it will be rendered in index.html. Okay, so in index.html we have to, this will ask for a image path. So we will be making a folder in image section like this, images. So this will access all the images from this image folder as we say allow it, sorry, order it like go to the image folder in that directory, like if it's in the index, then it will be search for image folder in this directory, which same directory. So this will search like this. Now save this file, and let's change the image because I have not provided these name properly, or just leave it as it, I will change them later. So right now just we are going to fetch these product in a home screen file. So in the source folder, as you see here like this, so in the source folder we will be creating a folder called screens. So folder will be screens, and in the screen folder we will create a component called home screen. So the first letter needs to be capital as you do in the components. Now since if you are using VS Code, then you can use this RFCE shortcut snippet. So this will give me a boilerplate of a React function, and now we have to import this home screen into our app.js. So import. Now I have to provide this address, so this will be in the screen and home screen. So screen and home screen. Name it to home screens, like this. Okay, so we have added this home screen between the header and footer. Now let's see how our project look. I have not changed anything, so there should not be any changes, as you can see. Now if I add something in our home screen, like I add a paragraph of hello, I am from home screen. So you can see this, it's come between the footer and the header. Now we are going to show our products here, where I have highlighted this. So import all these products. So import products. So since I am using VS Code, it auto complete this, and after importing products, remove this, and basically since we have this wall like a list, so this looks like a list, so I have to iterate over this. So in JavaScript we have a function called map. So I hope if you know JavaScript, you should also know how to use map, and if you don't know, you can just Google that. So products dot map, and since I am doing this inside this return function, so according to JSX we have to use this curly bracket here, so that it should know that it's a JavaScript return. So product dot map, and here we have to pass a function. So I will be making a function here because I want to keep it simple. I don't want to use any arrow function in this place. Later we will use, but right now just keep it simple as much as we can. So this name this a function like show product, and this will take a product, and after taking this that product, what it should do, I think let's pass this show product function here, show product, and now this function have one product. Like if we are using map, that means that one every time it will run until all the products are finished from the list. I am calling this list because you all are coming from the Python background. So from this list it will take all these elements and put one by one into this show product function. So now show product function can use this element. So it will return like this, and I think I have made a mistake here. Let me zoom in full screen. Okay, so there was no error. Actually, VS Code was saying me that you have not typed anything in between the return statement, so you have to type also. So this was basically the error. Let me see if recording is working perfectly. Okay, recording running. Now let's press enter here and type div, and inside the div tag I will be using a paragraph tag, and in the paragraph tag, now since I have to access this product, so we have to put curly bracket in between these. So uh, if I type anything here like product dot name and tag, we also have product dot description. Like if I over this, then you can see we have also description, and for description we have desc. So product dot desc description. Save this and let's see how it's look. So you can see all the products are available on our home screen. So now let's add some images and show them beautifully so that it will look wonderful. So the first thing we can do is I will pass over this work of showing the products to a component, and I will be make this in that component in the component folder. So that will be, let's call this single product, because it will we will be designing a single product in this. So single product means just follow along and you will know. Single product.js, and again RFCE shortcut. Okay, now in the home screen import the single product. So import single. So if I click on this, it will automatically import from single product. Okay, so single product, and remove these lines, and here we will be using single product, remove the spaces, and now we will pass some argument to our single product. So basically we will pass this product to our single product. So product equal to and to pass this product to this one, since it's inside the return function, then we have to pass this product. Paste this, and it's a auto closing tag, so we don't have to close this like this. We will do close it like this by this sign. Okay, save this, and now import, now do a destructured import of this. So like product, and this will use that product. So type a paragraph tag And just for testing, let's see if we are able to get that product. So product dot name. Save this and let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see we have again all these products. Now let's do some designing here. So come to our home screen. Or okay, now we will be using React Bootstrap. So import card from React Bootstrap, and we will use this card. So replace this card, and in the card we have something called card.body, and the name I think is self-explanatory, card.body. So this will contain the body of the element, and it's showing me error because I think I have to put it inside a empty empty closing and opening tag like this. Again those error, let's see what the error are. Okay, no error. So inside this card dot body we have the card dot image. So this will show the image inside that card. So card dot image, and it's a auto closing, so we will close it like this. Now we need to add a source of this image. So source will be in the curly bracket product dot, I think that is called image. Let's see what is this. So this is image, product dot image, and save this. Now add another thing, which is card dot text, and in the card dot text we will be typing the product name. So product dot I think we can use card dot title for this, card dot title, and replace this with here, and product dot name. After this press enter, and card dot text. So this will contain description, product dot description. We also have some prices, so let's display the prices also. So let's display them in the h2 format. So product dot price. Okay, save this and let's see how it's look. So you can see everything is displayed, but we don't have any images, and also we need to change the price. So we will be add this money symbol. You can add any symbol as per your country. So product dot price, and for images let's come to this product.js and add some images. So to add images I will open this image folder, reveal in file explorer. So this will open this image folder in the file explorer, and I have a folder also which is let's come here, and professional cipher resources. So I will copy all these images to this folder. So control A, C, control V. So all the image have been copied. So close this, and now change the destination also, sorry, name also. So for MacBook Air we have this macbook.jpg. Okay, that's it's correct. And for onion book we have onionbook.jpg. So name this onionbook.jpg. You can search for Google on for this image. And for mango book we have mangobook.jpg. It's right. And for game book we have gamebook.jpg. Save this, and let's see if it's working or not. Okay, so we have successfully displayed the images, but MacBook Air is missing. What's the problem with MacBook? MacBook, everything is correct. Why it's not showing me? Let's refresh this again. Okay, after refreshing it work. So you can see these are very big and big photos, and you can see this is not looking good. So we will put them into a column. So like this in the home screen, before using map function, I will assign a row here. So that will be row. I have to import row from React Bootstrap. So import row from React Bootstrap. React Bootstrap. And we also need column. So import column also. Column. Now use it like this, row, and cut this. Okay, so now all the products will come inside a row, and we are going to replace this with column. So every product have its own column, and when every product have own column, then they will be displayed one by one. So let's see. Okay, so you can see all the products are in the column, but they are, their size is little bit different for every product, and this is because we have the image size of different dimensions. So we can change this later, but right now this looks perfect. And if I see it's responsive or not, okay, it's responsive, but I think we should display one product when it it have in a small screen. But okay, finally we have displayed the product. We will change this also in the latest lectures. So I think this is enough for today's video, and in the next video we will be improving the design of this product, like adding ratings here, and making it looks more little bit attractive. Okay, so see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.